Okay, it's Nico at deltaspring.com, and I'm going to show you how quick it is to get up and running managing your Zendesk in Beacon, right? So here we go. Let's whack that there. Stay. Okay, we are on deltaspring.com. We're going to explore Beacon. Let's have a look. We can sign in with Google. Let's use my Gmail. There we go. Connect to Zendesk. My Zendesk for testing is this one. Let's connect it. It bounces over there. I've already authorized it. I'm cheating. I've already got the authorization token in my Zendesk instance. You'll find that takes half a second or so. Here we are, reloading. There we go. We've got a maintenance notification at the top. That's going to be worth knowing. We've got some config issues. We can drop in there and see those directly, but we can just click through and see, I don't know, let's have a look at some triggers. Here we are. Here's what a trigger looks like. Here are the actions. Here are the conditions. We could turn it off and then resync that. We could turn it back on again. It does it straight away in your Zendesk. We can click this and jump through to the Zendesk and see the trigger itself. Why not have a look? And here we go, here's a trigger. You know what those look like. But in Beacon they look like this, and if we want to export all of our triggers, we can hit that. There we go, nice little XLSX. And we can even import, load that back in, and it'll check our changes to make sure we're not going to break anything, and update them in our Zendesk. So what more do you want? Hop in, give it a go, deltaspring.com. Alrighty.